TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol is a widely used transport layer protocol in computer networks. It provides reliable, connection-oriented communication between two devices over an IP-based network. The three-way handshake is an essential mechanism used by TCP to establish a connection between a client and a server. Here's how the three-way handshake works. 1. SYN, synchronize. The client initiates the connection by sending a SYN packet to the server. This packet includes a random sequence number, SYN number, and other TCP control information. The client sets the SYN flag in the TCP header to indicate that it wants to establish a connection. 2. SYN-ACK, synchronize acknowledgement. Upon receiving the SYN packet, the server acknowledges the client's request by sending a SYN-ACK packet back. The SYN-ACK packet includes its own random sequence number, SYN number, and acknowledges the client's SYN number by incrementing it by 1. The server also sets the SYN and ACK flags in the TCP header. 3. ACK, acknowledgement. Finally, the client acknowledges the server's response by sending an ACK packet. This packet acknowledges the server's SYN number by incrementing it by 1. The ACK packet also confirms the server's successful receipt of the client's initial SYN packet. The client sets the ACK flag in the TCP header. At this point, the three-way handshake is complete, and both the client and server are synchronized and ready to exchange data over the established TCP connection. The handshake ensures that both ends of the connection agree on initial sequence numbers and establishes a reliable channel for further communication. It's important to note that the three-way handshake is not only used during the connection establishment phase, but also before terminating a connection. A similar process is followed when closing a TCP connection, but with different flags and control information. Overall, the three-way handshake is a fundamental process in TCP that allows devices to establish reliable connections and ensures data integrity and order during transmission.